Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Gourmet BBQ Hot Dogs on the Memphis Pro Cart IDC3. The first thing that we want to do is turn on the Memphis Grill. So let's get to it. We're gonna start the Memphis Grill and set it to 275 degrees using oak or hickory pellets. So the Memphis Grill is now up to temperature, so it's time to prepare the hot links and the smoky queso. So here's what we need to do. We want to score the hot links in a crisscross pattern using the slot dog or a knife on both sides. This will allow the smoke and the spices to penetrate better. Then we want to season the hot links with the Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost, and then we're going to place them on an elevated rack to get good smoke all around. We want to heat up a cast iron pan over high heat, and then we're going to add half a pound of beef chorizo and half a cup of diced yellow onion. Now we want to cook this until the chorizo begins to brown and the onions are translucent. Next, we want to add 10 ounces of cubed American cheese and 10 ounces of cubed Asadero cheese to the queso. You want to pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then we're gonna finely chop about a cup of smoked brisket and add to the queso as well. And we also want to add half a cup of roasted green chilies. We're gonna season the smoked queso with 2 tablespoons of Carne Asada seasoning. The links are now prepped, the queso is loaded up, so it's time to start putting it in the Memphis Grill and get smoking. After we place the hot links and the queso in the grill, we want to smoke the hot links until they reach an inner temperature of 165 degrees. We also want to cook the queso until all the cheese is melted. So while we're waiting for the smoky queso and the hot links to cook, we need to prepare some condiments. We need to finely slice a couple of jalapenos, and then we want to pick cilantro leaves off a couple of stems of cilantro. Now it's time to assemble the gourmet barbecue dogs. And we're gonna start by add some barbecue sauce inside the bun. Then we're gonna place the smoked hot link on top. And then finally, we're gonna top this gourmet barbecue dogs with a smoked queso, some roasted green chili salsa, some sliced jalapenos, and finally the cilantro. And then these beautiful gourmet barbecue dogs are ready to serve. And that is how I make my gourmet barbecue hot dogs on the Memphis Pro Cart IDC3. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrill.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this monstrosity and see what it tastes like. So here we go. This is so good. I hope you liked it. Happy grilling.